Here it says that we are given that lines K and P are parallel, and they want us to prove that 1 and 3 are equal. The measure of angle 1 and 3 are equal. So first off, we have the proof mostly filled out. We just have these two reasons to complete. So first, we start with what is given. You always start with what is given. Line K and line P are parallel. We're also concluding that the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 2 are equal. So you want to think, well, how do I know that? Look at the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2. They are both on the right side of the transversal. They are both above that parallel line. They're in the same spot. These are called corresponding angles. So if you want to look to your notes, find the corresponding angles. Yep, the corresponding angles postulate tells us that if lines are parallel and they have a transversal, that the corresponding angles are congruent. So the corresponding angles postulate is what tells us this. So now we're saying angle 2 and 3 are also equal. The measure of angle 2 and 3 are equal. So think, well, how do we know that? Angles 2 and 3. What's the relationship between these two angles? These two angles are across from each other. These are vertical angles. Vertical angles are always congruent. So that is the vertical angles theorem. So the last step that we completed for you is saying if measure 1 and the measure of angle 1 and 2 are equal and the measure of angle 2 and 3 are equal, you're able to say that the measure of angles 1 and 3 are equal. And that's that transitive property of congruence.